We all have times when we are sad, and we all have times when we are happy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create motivational videos by using resources which are online. This method is international, so rest assured wherever you are, you can create these videos and make a lot of cash. Approximately over $2,000 per month, or even more. Hi, my name is Marlon McLeod, and you are on this amazing platform of Freedom Guider, the place that we focus on having the correct mindset, various marketing techniques, motivational speeches, and ways of making cash online. So if you're new to this amazing platform, do not forget to subscribe and hit all notification icons so you do not miss the content which I upload. And guys, please stick with me right through the video so you do not get confused with any steps or how to implement these steps in making this massive passive income online. So let's go over to my computer where I walk you through the method. And do not forget the weekly giveaway by commenting below. Let's go. Now that we're on my computer, I would love to request that you come over and have a look at the 453 videos which I have created. These videos ranges from making cash online through various social media platforms. Majority of them are for free. So come over, have a look at the videos. If you have any questions for me, guys, I'm here to assist you. All you have to do, go down to the comment section and give me your question or your advice on anything that you see or have seen in any of my videos. Furthermore, if you want to know another method of making a full-time income, please go to the first link in the description. And also, guys, have a look at my embedded ebook, which is in the description. In my ebook, I walk you through the fundamental principles of running a successful online business. So please have a look at the description. So guys, as said, we feel sad and we feel happy throughout the day. So it's very important we have the correct mindset. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create motivational videos that help others to keep motivated and you make a lot of passive income on the backside. So what you're going to do, guys, I'm going to go over to YouTube and show you what people are doing. So what I typed in the search bar motivational speeches, and look, guys, this is a niche that people love to watch. I sometimes come over and watch these videos to get the real inner push to continue with my online business and all of my personal goals. So if you are not in this market of making cash online through promoting these videos, you are missing out on a lot. So this is just one channel that is just booming, and I'm going to take you over to another platform in a few seconds where you can get an idea of how much they're making on a daily, weekly, and monthly, and even yearly basis of the amount of cash they're getting on their platforms only from ads. And they're making much more with affiliate marketing if they do know the process. So this is it, guys. All these results were generated after I've typed in motivational speeches, and I'm going to scroll down. Now look, this channel is called Alex Called Motivation. It has over 800,000 subscribers. Let me just go further now. Law of Attraction, coaching, 2.3 million. Great. Ben Leon Scott, 1.66 million. Let's go further. That Will Smith. So guys, these are recurring videos that people have used in many videos. Many of these people have spoken through lectures, and the owners of these YouTube channels have captured these motivational speeches from their mouth itself and created videos on their platform through, say, compiling the speaker's voice with other voice and royalty-free images from various other platforms. And I'm going to show you how to get all these in the video. So please, if you're getting value so far, please smash a like. Do not forget to subscribe and comment below in order to go into the giveaway. And guys, in order to go into the giveaway, I'm going to tell you the requirements at the end of the video. So please watch the video entirely. So let me just go down now. What, guys, we're going to do, we're going to look at a channel which is just booming. Now, in order to get 2 million subscribers on a platform of motivational speech, you have to put a lot of work in it and a lot of years. And so I'm just going to scroll down to see which channel is just boosting a bit so you can get an idea and you can go and model these people. So let me go straight down, guys, finding something that's really low, less subscribers, 8 years ago, not bad. This has received 1 million subscribers. Good. I know this guy. Guys, these are all clips that we can get for free. I'm going to go further down. So guys, what you're going to do, because of the video, and I want to keep this short and sweet, I'm just going to take you over to a few of the platforms so you can get an idea and you can start implementing what they're doing in their videos. Now, in order to get this video on your computer, guys, you're going to go over to Google and type in YouTube downloader. This allows you to download videos which are on YouTube on your computer directly. Now, you can have the option of changing the video to MP3.4 or MP3. That allows it more editable on your editing device on your computer. And I'm going to take you over to 2 of the editing devices that you can use. So you're going to come over, guys, and you're going to put the link to that YouTube channel on your computer, guys, like this. Now I'm using this one. Let me just show it to you. After I've typed YouTube downloader, I'm using one by the name of nsaverfrom.net. This is okay to use. I've clicked it and I've downloaded one of the videos. Let me just show you here, guys. You're going to get this. Now, this is about, say, how many minutes will this be? About 8 minutes long. And you will see that the video is being downloaded here on my computer screen. Let me just close this because this is an ad. Now, after that has been downloaded on your computer screen, there are certain things that you need to keep in mind when you're editing these videos. So, to edit a video, let me just close this. To edit a video, guys, you can use 2 softwares. One is called OpenShot, which is for free. The other platform is called VSDC. This is what I currently use, guys. This is also for free. I'm comfortable using this. I've been using it for a while, guys, and I highly recommend that you do it. So, say that we have downloaded the video on our computer and we'd love to edit it, guys. It's extremely important that whenever you download a video, you edit it to a great portion. You cannot copy and paste the video fully, guys. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to give you the overview of how to get this video within the software, then edit it a bit so that you can get the channel monetized, and also you can promote affiliate links beneath that video. So what you're going to do now, we're going to open it, as you can see, and we're going to go to this icon where it says play here. I'm going to click it, guys, and I'm going to go to download here and say this is it. When it hurts, you're going to click that, open this, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So you're going to click here, guys, open that, and now you can see that this video has been downloaded on my computer and it has been opened up in this software. Now all these things we can get. Guys, look at this. I'm going to show you something.
Giving up.
See?
Somebody who has been praying for years.
So after you've got that done, you can do a lot more. We're gonna go back over, guys, and now we're gonna go over to a platform by the name of Pixels.com. Now Pixels.com allows you to get royalty-free videos and images which you can reuse on your video. In this situation, motivational video. So we're gonna come over, guys, come to this platform Pixels.com, which is for free. You can go here, guys, photos. They have about 9 royalty-free photos, 9,800. Or you can come over to the section where it says video. They have about 17.5 videos. You can come down and download any of these motivational videos that you can use on your video that we have just compiled. So let me just show you an example of what you can do. I'm just looking for one. Let me just say this one, for example. And we're going to download, guys. Now, when it comes to here, guys, it's very important that you download the correct measurement, guys. And for this tutorial, I'm just going to use it in Quad HD. Now, as you can see, that has been downloaded. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back over here, guys. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here, go down to download, download here, that's 525, give that a few seconds to generate up this so you can get an idea. Now, look, guys, this is it. Now, this is considered a run over video, and you'll have to you have to get the proper dimension of the videos in order to make it proper. But this, I'm just giving you an idea. Now, this is an overlay of the video that we have just watched. And let me just show you what's happening, guys. Look.
Years
See the guy sitting?
for things to turn around. You're thinking about quitting. You're thinking about giving up.
Now, after you're done, guys, what you're going to do, you're going to upload that video onto your computer. Now, in terms of getting sales through this platform, I highly recommend that you come over to a platform by the name of ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is an international platform that allows you to sell affiliate products throughout the world. except for about 2 or 3 countries. I think Nigeria, Zimbabwe, and there's another that don't allow you to sign up to this platform. So you're going to come over here, guys, and you're going to get products that you can sell beneath this video. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go over to some of these YouTubers who are just doing well and see if they have any affiliate links beneath their videos. Now, this is one of the platforms. Now, this is called Ben Lewing Scoot. This is verified. Let me just see the bottom. Now, does he have any video, any affiliate links or promoting any products? Ooh, he's missing out on a lot here. Now, I can say that he is relying a lot on the ads, I could say, but he's also missing out on, say, affiliate products being sold on his platform. Now, this has over 1 million subscribers, 7 million views. Ooh. Now, if he had put affiliate links, or maybe he has a website here, maybe you could make a lot more. And this is the platform. Now, we just go over to another platform and see if they are doing the same. This is called Motivational Speech Life. Over 2 million views since 2 years ago period. Let me see, is there an affiliate link? Okay, there's a business link. Now, if he were putting affiliate link beneath this video, he'll be making a lot more, guys. And I'm going to show you how he can make a lot. Now, let me go back over to ClickBank, the affiliate platform. And what we're going to do, we're going to go to find reality secrets of the universe. This is just one product that you can promote, which is related to motivational speeches. There's another, which is called Mind Secret Exposure 2.0, relaunching 5th to 12th March. This is paying you approximate $278 or $79 per sale. Per sale, guys. So if someone was to click on this, and from how many views we said that was here, 1 minute, 2 million views, and we can just say that, just over to Mr. Calculator, and let's say 5% of those people were to click on that. Let me see, 2,200,000 and say 30,000. So if this is 5%, so 5% times, look, 5% of 2,230,000 will be about, say, 11,500. So we're going to just times that by 278 because that's the price of one initial purchase. Woo. They'll be making a lot of money now, because normally people love to see the description, what's in the description, and you can just put things to prompt them to buy things from the link. So they are making a lot. They could be making a lot more just by putting affiliate links within the video. Now, I can say they're depending a lot on, say, ad revenues, because their channel is monetized based on what I've seen and recorded, and I'm just showing you what people are doing. This is another platform. This is called, Motivational Speech Live, and they're doing the same. Let me just go further. This is another platform. It's called Law of Attraction Coaching, and they're doing the same thing. They're taking videos from what people have done online, and they're editing them, guys, making it unique for their channel. Now, let me go over to a platform by the name of SocialBlade. SocialBlade is an analysis platform that allows you to just get an idea of what people are making online through ad revenue. And Law of Attraction is here. Now, they're getting about, say, $20,000 per month, which is great. In a year time, they're making about $300,000, which is great. Now, guys, if you had $300,000 in your bank account, what would you do? Tell me in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe and hit all notification icon, guys. It goes a lot for the algorithm of this amazing platform. And tell me where you're watching this video from, so I can get an idea of where to think about when you're making money online. So this is it, guys. Now, on a daily basis, they're making over, say, 163 views. That's it. Views. You're making a lot of views per day. And per day, let me just see how much money they're making. They're making about $500 per day. This is from views, guys, from ad revenues. And again, guys, many people are doing it. All you have to do, come over, model what they're doing, look what they're doing, implement it, smash a like, subscribe to this channel, and start creating videos. It might take some time, but guys, it will be worth it in the long run. Don't forget this platform, guys, pixels.com, where you can royalty-free images, where you can reuse without any side effects on your channel. And guys, keep in mind, you can have 2 or 3 things on your YouTube platform. You can either get it monetized, where you can run ads on it, or you can just focus on getting affiliate sales within the description. Or 3, you can also do, say, coaching sessions on this. Sometimes you'll have here a section where it says join, so you can at least have 3 different areas of getting cash through YouTube, but you have to start, guys. So come over, and this is a platform, it's called ClickBank, where you can get affiliate products to sell through the internet. Focus on things that are very motivational to sell, guys. This is one product that I came across. This is called Mind Secret Exposure 2.0. This is it, guys. And use instant access for $67, guys. It's worth it. Come over. Now, after you've gotten that on your computer and you've uploaded the video to your computer, you're going to have a few softwares that you need to have in order to get your views to the best and the most appropriate viewers. So what you're going to do, guys, you're going to come over and you're going to download a website by the name, sorry, not a website, but a software by the name of VidIQ. And this allows your video to rank on Google and YouTube. Extremely important. Now, I have it on my computer, guys, and I'm going to show you some of the features of this platform. This is it. Let me just go back over. Now, this is VidIQ. Mark you, these are other softwares I have. This is called Keywords. Allow me to rank my videos still. Let me go down. This is VidIQ, guys. This is some of the features. It tells me that, for example, my title is too long. It gives me tag, recommendation, description, cards, end cards, It allows me to optimize my videos the best. Now, also, it tells me what other YouTubers using for their channel and what words are ranking highest in Google. I'll have a link to this in the description, guys. This is called, this section is the video tags, the knowledge, it gives me all the information of other people. Now, this is my YouTube channel. Let me just go over, guys, and show you what people are doing now. Now, this is missing out on a lot, you know. But mark you, they've got over 2 million saved views. It's great. Now, they have, say, ranking off the video tags within and the topic, they'll be making a lot more, but because they have had the mentor and the momentum for a long time, guys, that's why YouTube and Google have been ranking them high on this platform, even though they're missing out on a lot of topic names, tag names, which, you know, it's a bit, it's unbelievable sometimes because they are older in the market, so they know the game. So come over, guys, download these softwares on your computer. Especially this one, VidIQ, that allows you to rank your videos on Google and YouTube so that you can get the most subscriptions and the most sales with your affiliate marketing plans beneath the video and also from ad revenue. And do not forget this platform, which is called pixels.com, where you can get royalty-free images that you can use within your videos and make the most of your time and energy producing motivational clips. Gotten a lot of value from this brief video. If you have any questions for me, please tell me in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe and hit all notification icon so you do not miss the content which I upload. Regarding the giveaway, guys, you have to watch the video entirely and tell me in the comment section what you have learned from the video. After you have mentioned this in the video, comment section below, I'll read through everyone, and then I'll go and pick that fortunate person who will then get that giveaway gift, which I have on a weekly basis. So please go down, comment on this video and every other video that is on my platform so you can have the utmost opportunity to win that weekly giveaway. Thank you for watching, and please, guys, can you share this video with all your friends and family across the globe, because it's my wish that more and more people quit their 9-to-5 slavery and stay at home to make cash online. Thank you for your support, and please do not go anywhere. I'll have about 2 to 3 other videos that will be popping up between your beautiful eyes that will change your mind of making cash online, entrepreneurship, and much more. So please watch this video and ta-ta.